We were getting ready to do a live shot for one of our shows, and so I was kind of concentrating on what I was going to say, and all of a sudden I hear these screams. I was like, what is happening? And it was a woman walking up to our location. Now, most of the residents have been kept out. Few of them are able to get back in, and this woman was, and she was saying, my home, I wanted to die here. And now it's gone. It was burned to the ground, and she was an older woman, so you wonder, how, when you talk about rebuilding, it's one thing to rebuild one house, but how do you rebuild, 10,000 houses?